first thing we're going to change, I think, is the curtain around the bed. We weren't great lovers of it to start with, but it also didn't survive the washing machine, so we have bought some curtain liners.
Yeah, the thinking is they black out curtain liners, and we're not very good at sewing or wouldn't know where to start, so we thought if we get curtains, they've already got hems and everything else like that. So we also got some press studs to go in, so because the original curtain we'll show you was just screwed into the roof and into the base of the bed. So we're going to put some press studs on this and replace where the screws went with some press studs, so it'll just be press stud together, so it'll be a bit easier when we want to take it off to give it a wash in the future. And they are blackout blinds, but then they're also supposed to be able to help with like insulation and thermal and stuff like that as well, which we thought might be key because we're up there, you've got a bit of the change in temperature coming from the windscreen and stuff like that as well.
And we've also ordered a new mattress, which should hopefully be here next weekend. So that will be the next stage, because there'll be a bit to chop and try and make that work.
Yeah. So we just got a standard size double, and we're just going to have to chop it to size and use the existing one as a bit of a template. So yeah, we'll see how that one goes as well.
So we're taking down these lights and replacing them with these LED versions. We've got the one above the bed there and one in the kitchen, and I think we're probably going to do this one as well, but not today. the new mattress has arrived. We've just pulled it out of the box and we have to lay it out for 72 hours to take its shape. So here it is, being tested out by Jon Snow. We've also got a nice mattress topper that has just arrived today as well.
So that's the new mattress in, cut to size. We just had to trim the far edges over there. We went for a foam. It's a 5-inch foam, which is 4 inch of foam and 1 inch of memory foam on top. We just need to pin the curtain at the back there, otherwise it fits. And just popping it up as well, you can have a look and see the clearance compared to the old one. So, I don't know if you can see that there, but quite a lot of clearance. So it shouldn't be a problem with our topper that we've got as well. Right, so that's our topper on. It's a 4-inch microfiber topper, so quite big. Hoping that it'll squish a bit when we close. So let's give it a go.
Still got to get a duvet and pillows and stuff up there, but
Should fit.
by the time you get a sheet on, it'll squish it down, I think.
Yeah. That's up as high as it can go, and there's still a bit of squish room. It's a lot of squish. And a rather cozy looking bed. Jon, is that your bed? Are you cozy, Jon?
What are you looking for?